This video tutorial I will explain what is URI. URI is nothing but Uniform Resource Identifier. It is like an address for things on the internet. We can think of URI as a set of directions that tell your computer or device where to find something on the online. It is like an address which helps you to find specific house or location. URI can come in different forms like a web address. That web address you type into the browser to visit a website, or it could be a path to a specific file or resource on the internet like a picture or a document. In a nutshell, URI helps your computer to understand where to go and what to fetch when you want to access something on the internet, and URI making it possible for you to browse websites, watch videos, and access all sort of online content with ease. Here you can see the example of URI https colon double slash www.google.com/page1. In this example, HTTPS is nothing but scheme or protocol, which indicates that we are using Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure or HTTPS protocol to access the resource. www.google.com. It is nothing but domain or host name, which specifying the location of the resource on the internet. Page 1 is nothing but the path, which indicates the specific page or resource we want to access on the website. So when you enter this URI into the web browser, it tells the browser to use the HTTPS protocol to go to the website hosted at www.google.com and navigate to page 1 resource. This is how your browser knows where to find and display the web page you are looking for. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.